We'll guide you through how to change Premiere Pro resolution to Instagram Reel. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial to create videos that fit perfectly on Instagram Reels using Adobe Premiere Pro. Setting the correct resolution prevents cropping, black bars, or quality loss. It is especially useful for content creators who want professional-looking vertical videos optimized for mobile viewing and social media engagement. To change resolution in Adobe Premiere Pro for an Instagram Reel, start by running the Premiere Pro application on your computer. Once the program opens, create a new project to begin your setup. When prompted, name your project with a title that suits your content so it is easy to manage later. After that, import a media file into your new project to use as your working footage. Next, click on your timeline to make sure the active sequence is selected before adjusting any settings. Then, go to the top menu and select the sequence option to access more controls. From the drop-down, pick Sequence Settings to open the configuration panel. Inside this panel, set your editing mode to custom so you can manually adjust the resolution and other parameters. After that, choose 30 frames per second as your time base to match standard Instagram Reel playback. Now, go to the video section where you can change your resolution settings. Set the horizontal frame size to 1080 pixels to define the width of your video. Then, set the vertical frame size to 1920 pixels to match the vertical format required for Instagram Reels. Next, adjust the preview settings by setting the width of your preview to match your horizontal resolution. Also, set the height of your preview to match your vertical resolution so everything displays correctly. After configuring the resolution, check the maximum bit depth option to improve color quality. Then, also enable the maximum render quality option to enhance the final output during export. Once all settings are correctly applied, press OK to confirm and close the sequence settings window. At this point, your Premiere Pro resolution is now configured to match the Instagram Reel format.